I am talking about something special about these stocks. These stocks trade at this moment $359. These stocks give us today return which is 0.6%. In the last 5 days return which is 1.5%. In the last 1 month these stocks give more than 7% positive return. In the last 6 months give these stocks us 15% return. If you see the year to date return and 1 year's return which is more than 20% return these stocks give us, that is very absolutely good. Now the most important thing which is 5 years return. And hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks, I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 5 years these stocks make 125% which is very good. In the last whole return that means 2117%, that means 21x return these stocks give to investors. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. Here you can see, so here you can see these stocks make how much return, 1400% return these stocks give. Always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.